Hello everyone, welcome to Blessed Fortunes. My name is Neha and today we are performing a general career reading for the year 2020 and our focus zodiac for today is Aquarius. If you or someone close to you belongs to Aquarius zodiac, this video might be relevant. Before I start my reading, I want to highlight very important aspects of people who belong to this zodiac, and that is they look for very good social life and they are very happy when they are around friends. So they always want to be surrounded by their friends because this gives them immense happiness. So let's start the reading for today. As you can see, I have taken out and spread all the 7 cards because it is a horseshoe spread which I am doing today. So the first one, if you see, this is a card of 10 of Wands. This is Queen of Cups. So this is your past, this is your present, this is your coming future. So this is 5 of Pentacles. Next is this is you presently, 4 of Swords. Your external influences which is affecting you right now, Page of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. This is your hopes and fears card, and the last card will give you a clear picture of how your situation would change or how you would end up being in this state right now. So this card would depict that situation. So let's start the reading. The first one, the 10 of Wands. So this card says that you may have worked a lot. You have worked a lot in your past. So what happened is you have been through a lot of stress because of that. So you pushed yourself enough, and I see a lot of sacrifices for success in this card. You have sacrificed a lot so that you succeed in your life. In your very recent past, which is affecting you. You have worked too hard in your recent past. Yeah, this is a card which shows that you have actually put in a lot of effort in your past, and not just effort, a lot of sacrifices also. So let's see your present. How is your present? So this is a good card. So this is Queen of Cups. So this card, as you can see, there is a lady sitting on a throne with crown, and she's holding a cup. So this card shows a lot of water in it. There's a water component in it. So you seem to have become somewhat spiritual recently. So because there is a lot of water, and so I can see that you have somewhat shifted your focus to spirituality a little. You are quite empathetic and a loyal person. So yeah, it's a career reading. So here, being loyal in your business or in your job is a good thing. You are a loving person and you seem to overlook things when you really love someone. So these are your feelings right now, how you feel. So these are the energies, at this point of time, these are your energies. So it may, I think it should actually be relevant to you, because I have got so many major arcana cards also. No, not today. No. I do not see any major arcana cards today for Aquarius. So yes, it's all of them are minor arcana. So you have to be really working. This is the time there is no spiritual lessons involved for you today. But yes, here I can see that you are actually becoming little spiritual, and you are very compassionate at present. So this is what your card says. Let's see what the other cards say, then I can tell you the overall picture. So this card, this is you at present. It looks like you have lost something. So this is a person who's sleeping on a bed and just thinking what went wrong, like you just want to withdraw yourself from the situation, something you have lost. It looks like you are grieving something, you have some feeling, you are upset. This card also shows that you're very upset. Maybe that this has led to this. You have become spiritual because you are upset because of your loss. So yes, you do not express your feelings. You don't discuss your problems with anyone. So what can we do about it? You are taking all the decisions emotionally. So right now, any decision you take in your business, in your career, all this is very much emotion driven. So you need to develop that emotional intelligence. You are losing that track because you don't know how to channelize your emotions. Like you, I think you should go for some healing. I would suggest you to go for some healing, so that it's a it's a very important thing right now. I think you should take up some sort of a healing so that you overcome this situation. And yes, you try to be very busy in your work. You take up new tasks just to be occupied, so that you don't have time to think about the loss. There is a loss involved. I said, there is a loss. So what I can do is, I can suggest you some healing, and or you can keep a rose quad with you. Do something of that sort, so that when you are very emotional, no, you are not able to take any business decisions. Your business would be impacted, your job would be impacted, people around you would go ahead and you would be laid back because of this. So I would suggest you to do some healing which is required as of now. In your short term, because of the situation that you are totally into your emotional aspect, I see that you're taking too much, you're thinking also too much. Being in the emotional state so much may affect your health. This card is showing that, even though you earn money, you are upset. You can see these people, 5 of Pentacles, there is money over here, but you seem to be upset. It's not a good sign. This situation does not look good. Do not work so much just to be occupied in the present state of mind. You're only going to pull this is going to only pull you, this situation is going to pull you down, that's all. You will not be able to succeed even though you're working really hard. It won't pull you up. It will pull you down only because you are upset. You're totally upset. Being spiritual is fine, but you have withdrawn yourself from people. Talk to people, express your feelings. Maybe you feel that people won't understand you. This card shows that even if you try to tell people what has gone wrong, maybe they won't understand. You're feeling that way, right? So could be you could actually consult somebody who can help you get out of this issue, get out of this problem. You have to come out of problems. Problems are in everybody's life. So I'm sorry to tell you that. I'm sorry to say all this. But yeah, you really need to do this. This will help you for sure. And if you see how people see you right now, and you may know to some extent, you may know this, you can perceive that people are seeing you this way. People see you as a sensitive person at your work. So whether you are doing a business, whether you are working in a project, or you're working in a company, you're working anywhere, people around you, your colleagues, your bosses, everybody sees you as a sensitive person right now. So your present actions give them an idea that you are emotionally immature. At work also, you seem to have childish attitude because of this, because you're not able to have a controlled vision. You can't think properly when you are upset. So that, I think you agree with me, right? So I think what you have to do right now is first focus on some sort of healing, as I said before. Then focus on work. Healing is more important right now, the most important thing for you. So what you can do is, you have to, if you're working, you have to, don't block your feelings, don't block all that, but yes, try to be happy. Try to talk to your friends more, because you being an Aquarius, you can be happy with your friends, so that you have this gifted. So try to talk to your friends more. You want to be very gentle with people, and you like to be with people who admire you. So yeah, that is there. That's with a lot of us. All of us go through ups and downs in life, and at this point of time, obviously you want to be with somebody who is uplifting you, who is admiring you for every effort you take. But in your office, in your work, people expect you to be really sharp. So at this point of time, you are losing that focus. People don't see you that way, that you are really sharp, though you are really sharp, but they're not able to see that. They're able to see your sensitive side. So try not to show them that. Get a healing, meditate, and work out a little, talk to your friends. You will get over all this, and then you will shine. If I see your hopes, You always want something. You're attracting people to you. You're attracting generous people to you. So you are generous. You are no doubt a generous person. So if somebody asks you for something, you would just give that person that thing, even though it's important to you. But if somebody is asking you for something, you will give that person because you feel this person cannot afford it, or if I have it, I can give. You just see your stake, like if whether you can give it or not. So if the person is asking for something, maybe you don't know that person that well, but you being a very generous person will just give the things to him or her. So it's okay. So you are a very good person, and you're attracting such people also in your life. You want such people to be there in your life, and you want people, you always want to meet people who have very good intentions about you. So anybody who wants to pull you down, anybody with whom you get some wrong negative energy, you're scared of those people. You just don't want to meet them. You want to attract only positive energies, only those people who are very sensitive, who understand that you need to be around sensitive people, and who has very good intentions about you. That's a very good thing. That's good to hope, and all of us hope you get such good people. And you have a lot of fears, you have stopped dreaming. You have a lot of fears. You have a blockage, you have to go for a chakra cleaning. I think you have a lot of blockage here. You stopped dreaming. You're scared to dream. For work also, as well as in your personal life as well, you spend money on non-essentials to keep you happy and uplifted. I think you should meditate, or the easiest thing is you can get up in morning, meditate, you do some yoga or exercise, and then start your day. So at least if you do this for some time, you will get habituated to it. Don't let your emotions pull you down in life. You are very capable, and seeing this, I can see that you have potential to earn a lot of money. So material, you attract a lot of wealth, but this situation right now is not helping you achieve what you are meant to achieve. You are very talented, and because of all this, in the long term, like within a year's time, I can see that you will find helping hands in your business or at office, anywhere you work, in your office, in your business, in your company, wherever you are, colleagues around you, people around you are going to help you a lot. People will offer you assistance. You can expect gifts and presents from partners or colleagues in your business, in your office, in the group in which you are working. People will try to give you gifts. This is as you can see, like you would be a person who will be on the receiving end from these people. But I will still suggest you to, as I said, I will still suggest you to meditate and get over this ASAP. If you get over this feeling now, you can actually heal a lot of things. You can be safe. You won't fall sick, because this card shows me that there is some healing required. There is some healing required so that you don't fall ill. I don't want you to fall ill. And once this is resolved, everything else will be good. You won't look sensitive. People won't think that you are weak in any way. They will in fact try to help you. And you know what? Because you attract a lot of material and wealth, you may actually, in this situation also, you can actually go ahead in your career. You can get promoted. You can get a lot of money. So just see that it's going to help you a lot. So try to understand why I'm telling you this. Like you're very earthy. Right? I see a lot of earth here. Earthy here. So here I can see that you know what is the reality. It is not that you are not aware. You very well know what is the reality, but just that you are a little affected emotionally, you are not able to act on it. So I would suggest you to try to act on it. Try to take something. Try to do things as I suggested: meditation, and you can also run in morning. You can do all this yoga. So I think these things will help. Chakra balancing could also help you, or you can actually consult me to know what on a personal consultation. You can reach out to me so that I can help you out if required, or you can consult anybody who is into a healing practice, somebody who can really heal you, because this is something will help you. It will help you grow a lot in your career. So with this we have reached the end of the session. Thank you for joining, and I hope I was able to answer some of your questions. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you everyone.